Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Delia Balisi Binalay. I'm 44 years old. I'm a single mom. I have 3 children, 21 years old for my son and 15 years old, my daughter's twin. I'm living in Barangay Minanga, Tumang, Isabela. I have 3 brothers, 3 sisters. I'm a 6th member of the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I worked in Saudi Arabia for domestic helper for 8 years to a couple with 3 kids, 13 years old, 11 years old, 6 years old, and I do cleaning, ironing, cooking, laundry, car washing, and take care of the kids.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check the temperature and then I call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, patient, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family, especially to my children.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My family, my mother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 10 p.m. and then I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are so proactive and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept or do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. Its flesh was what us know.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you'll select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you, sir.